just got this one on the point of that island on a jackal Iobi frog. He hit it once, missed it. I tried to set the hook, but didn't get him. So I reeled it in, casted it back out there, and brought it right back over him again, and he blew up on it twice, and then on the third blow up, I got him. So it's a nice little pounder, I guess. So we'll get back to you guys with some more. Yeah. And here's the release. There he goes. Get back to you guys with some more. Alright, just got one on the jackal Iobi frog. He's a big guy, like 3 pounds. This is in the black color. Nice frog, nice frogfish. Yeah. It's a jackal Iobi frog. Get this frog out for you guys. You got him right in the upper lip. Oh yeah. Got their pliers. Oh, he's big. Nice sharp hook.